Welcome to our culinary exploration. Today, we dive into the world of bay leaves, understanding what they are and how they can enhance our cooking. Bay leaves are more than just foliage, they're the secret ingredient in many kitchens around the world. They come from the bay laurel tree and are commonly used to add a unique flavor to dishes. Yes, these leaves are typically added whole to slow-cooked dishes like stews and soups, and then removed before serving. It's like they work their magic and then take a bow, exiting before the final act. Now, did you know that there are two main types of bay leaves? That's right. We have the Turkish and the California bay leaves. Each of these types has a distinct flavor profile that can elevate your cooking to new heights. So whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, understanding how to work with herbs and spices, particularly bay leaves, is essential for creating well-rounded dishes. Stay tuned to learn more about the unique characteristics and uses of these aromatic leaves. But before we go any further, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now let's delve into the science behind bay leaves. Why are they so special? Bay leaves, the unsung heroes of the culinary world, owe their distinct flavor and aroma to a cocktail of natural chemicals. The primary ones are eugenol and cineol. Eugenol is a compound also found in spices like cloves and cinnamon, while cineol is a component of eucalyptus oil. Together, these compounds give bay leaves their characteristic warm and slightly spicy flavor profile. According to a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, when bay leaves are cooked, these aromatic compounds are released, infusing the dish with their unique flavor. This is why they are typically used in slow-cooking dishes like soups and stews. As the leaves simmer, they release their aromatic compounds gradually, allowing the flavor to permeate the entire dish. However, it's not just about flavor. These compounds also have interesting interactions with our taste buds. Eugenol, for instance, has a numbing effect, which can subtly change the way we perceive other flavors in a dish. In fact, a study in the Journal of Sensory Studies found that this numbing effect can enhance the sensation of spiciness in food. So when you're cooking a spicy dish, adding a bay leaf can actually make it seem even spicier. But here's the catch. You can't just throw in a bay leaf at the end of cooking and expect it to work its magic. The aromatic compounds in bay leaves are heat sensitive, which means they need time to be released. This is why bay leaves are typically added at the beginning of the cooking process. Moreover, bay leaves are not a one-size-fits-all ingredient. Different types of bay leaves have different flavor profiles thanks to variations in their aromatic compounds. For example, Turkish bay leaves have a more subtle flavor compared to their Californian counterparts, so depending on the dish you're making, you might want to choose your bay leaf carefully. Isn't it fascinating how such a small leaf can have such a significant impact on our food? Having understood the science behind bay leaves, it's time to learn how to use them effectively in our kitchen. Bay leaves are incredibly versatile and can be used to add a touch of flavor to a variety of dishes. But how do we use them exactly? Well, the first thing to remember is that bay leaves are typically added whole to dishes. The reason for this is that the leaf itself is quite tough and doesn't soften during cooking, so you don't want to leave it in your dish when serving. Instead, the bay leaf infuses the dish with its flavor during the cooking process and is then removed before serving. So, when should you add the bay leaf? The key is to add it early on in the cooking process. This is because bay leaves release their flavor slowly over time, so they are perfect for slow-cooked dishes like stews and soups. Just pop a leaf or two in at the start of the cooking process and let the low heat and long cooking time do the rest. But what if you're in the middle of cooking and realize you're out of bay leaves? Not to worry, there are a few herbs that can substitute for bay leaves in a pinch. Oregano and thyme, for example, can provide a similar flavor profile. Just remember to adjust the quantity, as these herbs can be more potent than bay leaves. And if you're wondering what kind of dishes you can use bay leaves in, the possibilities are endless. From hearty meat dishes to flavorful vegetarian stews, bay leaves can add a depth of flavor that takes your cooking to the next level. You can even use them in desserts and cocktails for a unique twist. With these tips, you're now ready to enhance your dishes with the unique flavor of bay leaves. But bay leaves are not just about flavor, they also come with a host of health benefits. Let's dive into the world of wellness that these humble leaves offer. One of the most significant benefits of bay leaves is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants, as you might know, are like the body's own cleanup crew, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals that can lead to a variety of health issues. from premature aging to serious diseases. But wait, there's more. Bay leaves have also been found to have potential benefits for digestion. Ever had a hearty meal with bay leaves and felt comfortably satiated afterward? Well, this isn't just a coincidence. Research suggests that the compounds in bay leaves may help improve digestion, reducing symptoms of common issues like gas, bloating, and even heartburn. Moreover, some studies suggest that bay leaves could contribute to better heart health by helping to maintain healthy blood pressure levels and cholesterol levels. This is due to a compound called rutin, which is found in bay leaves and has been linked to cardiovascular benefits. And let's not forget the potential benefits for blood sugar control. For those managing diabetes, incorporating bay leaves into meals might just make things a bit easier. Some research points to the possibility that the compounds in bay leaves may help regulate blood sugar levels. Remember, while these potential health benefits are promising, they are not a substitute for a balanced diet and regular medical checkups. Always consult with your doctor or a nutritionist before making significant dietary changes. So, bay leaves not only make your food taste better, but they also contribute to your well-being. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to bay leaves and their culinary use. We've journeyed through the science behind these fragrant leaves, explored their use in cooking, and even delved into their health benefits. Remember, whether it's Turkish or California, bay leaves are more than just an aromatic addition. They are an essential ingredient in creating well-rounded dishes. Did you find this video useful? If so, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out our calorie and protein calculator in the description below to kickstart and track your fitness journey. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to know the difference between baking soda and baking powder in cooking, watch the video on your screen next. Until next time, happy cooking!